Hello and welcome to the channel. Boy, do I have a car for you. This is a lovely 1989 Nissan GTR R32. What an absolute beast. Every 90s kid's childhood dream car is this one. So as you can see, basically what I'm doing with this one is it's scheduled for a show over last weekend. So just want to bring it up and just make it show ready. As you can see, it's already clean, it's ceramic coated, so there's not too much that I can do with it, but just want to make it show ready. So yeah, as you can see, it is quite shiny as it is. When he gave it to me, I kind of said, not really much I can do with this, but we're going to do a little bit of bits and bobs and bring this up as much as we can. So there's a lot of features on the car which I will get to in the video. Obviously majority of these aren't stock, as I'm sure you can imagine, and he has done a lot of work on this car, so I'll give you some of the features a bit later on in the video. And it's only really just some of them. Like if I was to name all of it, it'd be a very, very long video. So as you can see, I'm hitting the tires now. The chrome tires, they looked really, really good. So there wasn't too much I could do, but I did notice in the barrel it was quite dirty. As you can see, the discoloring of the wheel cleaner at the back there on the brakes. So yeah, I just wanted to spruce that up a little bit and then give the chrome a once over. Again, there wasn't too much that was dirty here, but we just mainly wanted to get into the barrels there and bring that back to life. So now hitting the tyre, I will start mentioning some features of this car, some aftermarket features. So let's start with the body. We have N1 vents, Nismo front lip, N1 boot lip, N1 skirts, JSAI front splitter, JSAI skirt extension. So that is majority of what you can see on the body there. There's again a whole host more, but I'm just kind of going off what you can see. So this is the wheel once it's done. I do like the teal brake calipers as well. I think they're quite nice and really bring out the wheel. So this is the wheel that hasn't been touched. Again, not too much difference. Most of the difference is in the barrel. It is clean, quite clean as it is. So you can see the barrel there's a little quite dirty. So that's where I guess the big difference is. The owner didn't really want me to polish the wheels because it doesn't want to polish it too much because then the chrome starts to fade. So it was under instruction not to do that. So now we're just foam cannoning, I guess, the rest of the car. What a beautiful car this is. As I said, every 90s kid's dream car, this one. So I'm now going to leave you with some cinematic shots with the foam on the car. How good was that? So now just rinsing the foam off, getting it ready for a contact wash. I'm going to give you some more features on the car. So there's an NPC clutch, 1000cc injectors, GK Tech camber arms, Varex exhaust, Momo steering wheel, and Wildcat Recaro seats. So again, just scratching the surface of what's actually been done to the car. So another thing to stay tuned for, I do have some lovely shots of the car at the show. So now just drying the car thoroughly with the microfiber towel. Well, a couple of microfiber towels, I should say. Went through a couple of them with this car. So as always on this channel, let's see what those pipes can do. What a beast. So I saw another opportunity to bring the car to life, and that was through the muffler. So hitting the muffler with a chrome polish. Now, why is this car so legendary? A few fun facts. The Godzilla was born here. The R32 was the first Nissan GTR to earn the nickname Godzilla. It was a name given by the Australian car media for its monstrous performance and dominance in motorsport. It was built to destroy Group A racing. Nissan designed the R32 GTR specifically to win Group A touring car races, and it did. It won 29 out of 29 races in the Japanese Touring Car Championship from 1989 to 1993. So that's why this car is so legendary. So basically what I'm doing, again, I don't want to eat into the ceramic coating. So there's no cutting and polishing on this car. I just want to bring out the gloss more than anything. So I'm hitting it with a paste wax and now just wiping that off. The application of the paste wax is an interesting one when you're doing it with your hands. You can use an applicator pad if you want, but I think the hands give you a better finish. The other thing I learned about the car when I was doing a bit of research was that it was never actually released in the US, which I find amazing. Obviously, being in Australia, usually we don't get the cars, but this time the US didn't get it. It became legal to import in 2014, but since till then it was it wasn't released in the US. So there you go. So now just hitting it with a quick detailer to bring the gloss out, give it a super amount of shine on the car. You know, as I said, it is going to be presented at a show, so just want to bring out that colour as much as possible. It's a bit hard with that grey colour, and especially it's got semblance of black in it. I just want to bring out the gloss and make it as shiny as possible for this car show. Also, make sure you comment down below what you think of this car. Me personally, I absolutely love it. Would like to hear everyone else's thoughts. Don't really know what everyone's favourite car is in my audience, so would like to know what everyone likes and wants to see. So just going over the windows now, again bringing the clarity up on the windows. Another really interesting fact that I found when I was researching the car was the engine. So the engine was underrated on purpose. So Nissan had officially rated the RB26DETT at 276 horsepower or 206 kilowatts. It is a 2.6 litre inline six with twin turbo. Now, as I said, it was rated at 276 horsepower. However, the dyno tests usually measured around 300 to 320 horsepower. So the reason it was rated so low was due to a gentleman's agreement among Japanese automakers to cap horsepower figures at 276 to avoid a horsepower war and government scrutiny. So I thought that was really interesting. So I finished off the car with the tyre shine in the previous shots. So as you can see, this is how the car ended. Not a massive difference between start to finish, like the other videos on the channel. However, it is now show ready. Have a look at that. What a beautiful car. So after these shots, there's going to be some shots of it at the show, and geez, it is a showstopper when you see it. As I said, comment down below what you think of the car, what you think of the job that I did as well, getting this car show ready and presentable at the car show. Again, I didn't really want to do too much because I didn't want to eat away at the ceramic coating, but just wanted to give it a little bit of gloss so that under lights it stands out and is a showstopper. Go and follow this car on Instagram. You won't be disappointed with the photos that are there. I'll leave a link in the description. So as always, if you could like, comment and share the video, it really helps my channel, helps me grow and helps me get some cool cars on the channel. I've got some cool ones recently, but obviously the more I grow, the cooler the cars get. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. I'll leave you with some shots from the show.